Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to sharpen your Caran d'Ache pastel pencils. So what you'll need is a craft knife and a medium grain sandpaper. So you take your pastel pencil and I just want to extend that. So you turn the knife away from you. And what you want to do is hold your thumb at the back of the blade and you take your pencil and you just lightly press down and shave off the wooden casing. And it's just the wooden part that you want to shave away so that you're just left with pastel. So you just rotate your pencil after you've taken off the wood shaving. You don't need to put too much pressure on it. As you can see, it comes off pretty easily. So just keep going round until you're happy to how you want it. That should be about it. So once you've finished shaving away the wood from your pastel, it should look like that. And you see there's quite a good tip on it, even though it was sort of blunt before we started. So you could actually leave your pencil like that, but if you're not happy and you want an even sharper point, you can use sandpaper, but I'll just show you on the paper as the pencil is now. You can still make quite good lines and strokes, as you can see. But if you're not happy with that and you want it sharper, what you'll need to do is use your medium grain sandpaper and just lightly rotate it and sand away bits of the pastel until you're happy that you've got a fine point to how you want it to be. So I'd say that's quite fine. So there you go. That's how to sharpen a Caran d'Ache pastel pencil. I hope you found this helpful and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you then.